Good evening everyone, respected madams, teachers and all my dear friends. Today everyone gathered here on occasion of farewell to our seniors. We have tried our best to make these farewells memorable and enjoyable. Farewell parties are always harder and become emotional as we cherish bitter and sweet memories with you all in the campus. You made this journey simple for us from the first day. Thank you for being an inspiration for us all. We are sure that you will achieve a grand success not only in your 10th exams but also in your future lives. On everyone's behalf, I like to conclude by wishing all the best for your future and we promise that we will never forget you. Thank you.
I'm Swajan from 10th standard. Today, I stand before you reflecting on an incredible 9-year journey through this school. It feels like just yesterday when I, a timid newcomer, entered this amazing community back in my 2nd class, stepping into a world that will soon become my second home. Over the years, this institution has not just been a place of education, but a nurturing ground where friendships blossom, lessons were learned, and countless memories were unfolded on the playground. The peaceful atmosphere, embraced by the presence of trees, creates an environment where each student gets focused maintained on their studies, and the encouragement and motivation provided by our headmistress and including Malti Madam and Sarad sir, including Tengu sir, creates an environment where each student feels empowered to reach their dreams. Your motivation is just like a gentle wind beneath our wings nudging us forward. Each teacher in this institution are like guiding stars, illuminating my educational path with inspiration and knowledge. From the earlier learnings of ABCs to the complexities of high school subjects, your teachings are invaluable. Thank you, teachers. And now, to my friends, you have been the architects of my countless memories. You guys are legends in my life. You've been more than my classmates. We've faced many problems together, creating a bond that time won't easily erase. The laughter, the tears, and everything in between are some valuable memories. I'll carry them in my life. At last, as I pass on the torch to my dear juniors, I would like to tell you 3 things. Firstly, embrace your school life ahead with open minds and open hearts. Secondly, cherish your teachers, as they're not just the one who teaches you, but the one who guides you and who inspires you. Thirdly, make friends not with just those in your class, but all the people across the corridor and across the playground. These connections will be the pillars of your memories. Thank you.
Gathered here today, we bid farewell to you who have been an integral part of our school for 2023-24. Saying goodbye is never easy, especially when we are saying goodbye to you as exemptional. During your time here, you have shown dedication, hard work and passion in everything you did. You have been a source of inspiration for many of us and your presence will truly be missed. As you embark on this new journey, we want to express our gratitude to you for everything. Your positive attitude, creativity and leadership have left a lasting impact on all of us. We have no doubt that you will continue to achieve great things and make a difference wherever you go. As you move forward, always remember the fond memories we shared together and remember you always have a special place in our hearts. On behalf of everyone here, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May success and happiness always be yours. Thank you seniors for everything. Farewell and best of luck.
Good evening to all, respected headmisters, teachers, my dear senior brothers and sisters, and my friends. Today, in this evening, we gathered here with farewell to our seniors. We are coming and enjoying a few dances, songs, games, and speeches. I request the 9th class students to extend their warm welcome to you and have a nice time. Thank you.
We stand here on the threshold of a new chapter. Let's take us the knowledge gained, the friendship formed, challenges, memories, and inspiration from our seniors. Each one of you has left an indelible mark in our hearts, and we carry those imprints into the future. As we say goodbye, let's not see it as an end, but as a new beginning. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Respected headmistresses, teachers, parents and all my dear friends and juniors. I'm Shoaib from 10th class. Today I am going to speak few words about my research in this school. I have been studying in this school from past 8 years. I love this school and I love this school and I lived happy in every moment in this school. I thank my friends for encouraging me in every moment in my studies, also in my also in sports. I thank HM Madam, Saras Sir, Malji Madam and other teachers for encouraging me in studies and letting me realize my potential. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I'm Jahari from 10th. Today I stood here to say about my journey in my school. I studied in the school in MKG. I have continued my journey for past 12 years. I have the best memories in my life. You know, the best chapter of my life is the school days. I learned many things like moral values, discipline, etc. I learned many things for the punishments given by our teachers, especially HM Madam, Saras Sir, Malji teacher and all the teachers. We have learned all things, especially moral values, discipline, how to behave in the society, all the things we have learned. And my friends, they supported me very much when I was depressed. All supported me very much. The teachers and parents and my friends, all of them supported me. I'm very happy that HMI said that I will get more than 580 plus. I'm very happy. Then I promised to HMI that I will get more than 580. Thank you. Good evening, respected HM, Madam and teachers and my dear friends. It's an immense pleasure to me to extend my sincere thanks to our beloved HM Madam. I thank great privilege to talk in front of you on this great occasion. All our teachers, beginning with my class teacher, English ma'am. Thank you very much ma'am for your support. I want to thank about our social sir, Sarat sir. I never forget his teaching. Thank you for your being our social sir. And I also want to say that from the bottom of my heart, a very big thank you for your wonderful support sir. Our math sir, Ramprasad sir and Shekhar sir, thank you very much. Hindi sir. I have a lot of phobia about this language, but I am confident. Thank you, sir. I never forget Telugu sir and Physics sir, who teaches us Ramayanam and every day giving 2 questions with parent signature. I am blessed to be a part of and castle of this school. Thank you once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Respected Madam, Sir, teachers, my juniors and my dear friends. I am Yokita from Kent. Today we are gathering here for the farewell party conducted by the 9th class students. This is the last farewell party of our 10th class students. We enjoyed a lot in this school and we want to leave this school with happy and smiling face. I am thanking to 10th class students. They have conducted this farewell. For them, thank you. And I thank to my 10th class students who dictated me well in maths and all the subjects. Thank you for them. Thank you.